So Zaki's going to go in and have a little swim.
Little boy.
Oh, wow, look
He's
at
a
Zaki.
great boy.
I'm not going to believe it.
Isn't this lagoon so special? It looks so relaxing. It's so beautiful here too. Look at that. Ricky and I are so excited because we have our nephew Zaki join us here in Western Australia on his school holiday, and we are off to a remote island today. Zaki is giving up diving today to go out on this remote island.
I hope I survive.
But we are hoping to see some humpback whales on the way. Thousands of turtles.
Yeah.
And what else? Thousands of what? Booby birds. Terns, booby birds, and all sorts. Hopefully we can get some fish as well on the way out there. So we are going to starve if we don't catch any fish. Nah. Impossible with Ricky around and Zaki. So we'll see if there's some mud crabs too along the way. Woohoo! Can't wait to show you. Yeah.
Should I stay here?
On our way to the islands, we're only about 15 k's away now. And now we're just going to try and get a bit of dinner for tonight. So we're just using micro jigs. This is only a little guy, but there's normally some good blue line emperor here. So we're just using them. You can see those little jigs. But that's just a little long fin cod. You can tell it's a long fin because it has one fin all the way along its back. It's a long fin. Very, very true, Zaki. We basically just need 2 grass emperor or 2 blue line emperor for dinner.
Let's get it to get a blue bone.
That's a good fish, Zaki. You've got to get it up though. That's it. That's it. One. That's it. I'll put this one back.
That is a pretty good fight, Zaki.
Yeah, it's a good fish.
It will be bigger than what Nihong's got over here.
Mine's tiny.
I know. We can use yours for bait, you know.
Get it up, Zaki. That's it. You're doing well, but you got to get it up, otherwise the shark will eat it.
Oh, don't say that. It is practical though. It is truthful. Whatever it is.
I see it.
Get the net, because you only got to...
Oh, I see it. Come on.
When you get to the surface, Zaki, just leave it swimming there.
Yeah.
lift it up too much. What a beautiful golden trevally, eh? What are you laughing at? It is a beautiful golden trevally. I might have said golden snapper. So we're actually going to keep this golden trevally. We tried to put him back, but he didn't go back too well. So we're going to keep him and we'll have him for dinner tonight. Well done, Zachy.
That's yours. That's good.
One there. So,
You want to check his drag.
that's alright. That's a better fish. Good on you, Zachy. Somebody's got to keep catching them. Probably not me. You got someone decent this time, or? Oh, what's it doing?
Can't see it yet.
That's it, Zachy. Keep it nice and
Tight.
Alright, what have we got? Oh, wait a second.
What is that?
That's quite a bit of red in it.
Oh, trap. Oh,
Or is it a cod?
oh, it's a Chinaman. Wow. A big.
It's a nice
Oh,
fish, Zachy, but
beautiful. Beautiful, Zachy. Good job. That is such a beautiful.
Hold the burgers on the belly. Alright. Don't come too far back because that's the anal spine and it'll hurt.
Yep.
So that's it. Beautiful fish, isn't it, Zachy? Awesome colours.
Yeah.
Zachy.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Woohoo. Yay. Good job. Yes.
So I've changed my lure up now to a vibe. I got the jig got bitten off by a mackerel, I think.
Yeah.
Go good, Zachy.
Ronald and George look after us as fishing in outdoor world.
I hooked up on the vibe. A little bit of weight to it. Oh, yeah. Not 100% sure what it is. Be good if it was a trout or something like that.
You know what fish it is.
No, not necessarily.
Oh.
No, it's just a big tricky, I think. That's alright, that's what we wanted. Wow, sort of. So that's a nice fish. So, blue-lined emperor. Got the beautiful blue around the eyes there. Good eating fish. Beautiful, eh? Oh, he's got a big flag.
Wow!
So the lure that I'm using is actually designed to be a small one of these. Nice eating fish, Zachy. And the lure that I'm using is basically a small one of these. Decided to have one more go on this spot.
This is after Ricky decides, let's go.
Hey, another little.
A super little.
one.
This is oh my goodness, how small is this?
Bit embarrassing.
This is super duper small. Look how super small this one is. Super small. I'll get it. Oh, Ricky's got a good one. Ricky. Whoa. Huh?
What's going on, Zachy? It's a good fish.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit trout-like.
Wow, that looks like it. It does.
Oh no, it might just be a
Oh no
another
way.
blue line, but that's alright.
Chinaman?
It's a good fish.
Oh wow. A much bigger version of this. Oh my gosh, look at how small mine is.
Another blue line. Definitely got enough dinner now, Zachy. Another beautiful grass emperor.
Dinner.
Blue line emperor. Awesome, eh? Alright, we'll go get this one on ice and then we're definitely going.
They have
No
many.
more fishing. We've got enough fish.
They have many names. What's
Blue line emperor, grass emperor, black snapper.
really?
We've got heaps of names, yeah.
Oh, don't forget dinner.
Tricky dinner, tricky snapper. Yeah.
Will you swim with the whales?
Quite inquisitive, so they might come over. Yeah, they are. I can just sort of shadow that.
Really?
Just here.
What?
They're here somewhere.
They are here somewhere.
Just keep an eye on that. Coming up.
Where? Where? That's gorgeous!
Hello, mate.
Wow!
He's just come to say hello. What do you reckon, Zaki? How cool is that?
Wow! Yeah!
He's really big.
That is amazing!
Hello, buddy.
Hello!
He's gonna hang.
Wow!
I think there's another one. You gonna get in, Zaki?
Get it, Jackie?
Yeah, there's a mask just on the front there. If you want to. You don't have to.
It's just here.
Just here. Here he is, he's gonna come right up here, Zaki. He's gonna come up and say hello again. Oh, there's another one here, look. Ah, that's awesome. I'd love to have the drone up.
Oh my goodness me, how beautiful are these two? Yay! Hello! Oh.
There's another one. There's three.
1, 2, 3.
Oh wow, hello.
Oh my goodness!
How you going? Wow. Hello.
Hello!
This one really
Wow!
How's that? That's pretty cool.
He wanted us to pass her. We could have just passed her. That's amazing.
That was awesome. That was a real hello, wasn't it?
Full on hello. Oh, Zaki, your magic works.
my amazing whistling.
Yeah. Oh, he's back again.
What? Really?
Oh, Zaki, I'd be getting the mask. That's really cool, isn't it?
Wow.
So Zaki's going to go in and have a little swim and just see if the whale hangs around. Just get in nice and slowly, Zaki, and then he or she won't go away. Just on this side here, just coming around now, Zaki.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, Zaki, that is incredible. It knows you're there. That is incredible, baby. Wow.
Coming around to say hello. You okay, Zaki?
So beautiful.
Wow, that's a great experience for Zaki. Is that cool? It's still there.
Going on the other side.
Alright. So Zaki's in the water swimming with the whale, which is amazing. So friendly. Hello.
Hello, goodness. Look who's in the water saying hello to you. Look at this little boy.
Wow, look
He's
at
a
Zaki.
great boy. Look at this one. Wow, Zaki.
Just watch that tail, Zaki. That's awesome.
Wow.
Well done, Zaki. Legend.
Beautiful. Oh, look at Zaki.
Zaki wants to join the whale. How good's that, Zaki?
That is incredible.
Is that good? Well done, mate. That's really cool. Well done, Zaki. You can't follow it.
Good job, buddy.
I just swam with the whale.
Yes, you did. How was that?
Oh my god, it was so cool.
Well done.
I was so close to it.
That is so amazing.
Cool. Well done. That's very brave, Zaki. Awesome.
That is so cool.
Well, that was a great experience. Jump out, mate, before the sharks get you.
Wow, look at that. Look.
Oh, I might still be around.
You have time. Yeah, you have time to put your fins on because he's just gone under anyway.
There he is. Hello.
Oh, yeah, oh my gosh! Where did it go, Zaki? Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh god, get ready. Oh! Stay with us!
Oh!
Stay here! Just stay.
Should we all get in? Oh!
Yeah! Okay, Zaki, just mind the thing, okay? Oh, wow! How beautiful!
You're so pretty.
Oh, wow! That is insane, Zaki! Just there! Hello, gorgeous! Hello, look at this! Hello! That is incredible! Wow! Oh! Wow! Yeah! Look at this! Yay! That is incredible! Wow! Oh, wow! Jeez.
Now that was just absolutely magical, wasn't it?
Here. You might be off.
Oh, thank you so much!
See you, buddy. Wow. Well done.
So cute! This is the island, Zaki. Zaki's already relaxing. Well, we got to the island, Zaki. And we are going to pursue some adventures tonight. That's why we chose to stay here. Is it like 20 hours, Ricky? We're going to be waiting. Dale and Amy, Kenzie and Charlie are on the other boat.
Coming soon in part 2 of this episode.
Because you can flick sand.
Oh my goodness.
So we got one crab. Excited people. And show us your shells that you found. Dun, dun, dun.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember to click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We also need more subscribers like you. So please share the love and share our channel and get them to like and subscribe too. See you in the next